Hello everyone, how are you today? I'm fine, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. So 先生が Hello, how are you って言ったら I'm fine, thank you って返事してね。One more time. Hello everyone, how are you?後ろね I'm fine, thank you じゃなくてI'm fine, how are you? って返事してください。私は元気ですよ。先生元気ですか？そういう返事です。もう一回。Hello everyone, how are you? I'm fine, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Let's start out with a couple songs. いくつかの歌で始めましょう。Here we go. Hello, 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 what's your name? Hello, 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 bum ba ga bum bum ba. My name is Saya. My name is Satoru. Hello, hello, hello. One more time. Hello, hello, hello. What's your name? Hello, hello, hello. Bum ba ga bum bum bum. My name is Kenjiro. My name is 自分の名前を言って Hello, hello, hello. 次は1月から12月まで歌いましょう。じゃあみんなも手を出してせーの。January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. One more time. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. 日曜日から土曜日まで行きます。まず日曜日から始まりますよ。せーの。Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. One more time. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, now we are going to do one more song, okay? これはね、先生が小さい時にね、学校に行くといつも大きな怪獣さんがそこにいたの。で、怪獣さんはね、おはようって言わずに、ういうああ、てんてん、わらわらビンビン。そのね、変な挨拶をしたんだよね。で、最後はじゃんけんで終わったから、その歌をみんなで歌いましょう。Here we go. A one, a two, a one, two, three, go. Every morning I wake up and I go to school.There I see a big monster, this is what he says. Every morning I wake up and I go to school. There I see a big monster, this is what he says. He says, ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ting, tang, wada, wada, bing, bang. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ting, tang, wada, wada, bing, bang. Okay, one more time.Every morning I wake up and I go to school. There I see a big monster, this is what he says. Every morning I wake up and I go to school. There I see a big monster, this is what he says. He says, ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ting, tang, wada, wada, bing, bang. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ting, tang, wada, wada, bing, bang. Okay.Now, can you please take out your 3 books? Remember, we have Farm Animals, Winter, and The City. 3冊あるよね。So, please take out Winter. まず一緒に読みましょう。3ページから、10ページまで一緒に読みますので、Listen しっかり聞いて、そして繰り返し読んでください。絵を見ながら 先生に言うことを繰り返し言ってください。一つだけ注意点ね。ここではね、the という言葉がいっぱいで出てきます。the、okay? これは the じゃなくて the でもなくて、舌を軽く噛んで the、決して唇はくっつけないで the っていうふうに言うに練習してください。いきますよ。Page 3 The snow The snow Page 4 The ice skates The ice skates The sled The sled The snowman The snowman The mittens The mittens The coat The coat 9ページ The fire The fire The winter The winter Okay, now can you please get the next book is Farm Animals 農場にある動物 Farm Animals また The が出てきたね。なので絵を見ながら先生に言う言葉をしっかり聞いて The を発音してください。 The は唇をくっつけないで舌を軽く噛んで The いきますよ。 Page 3ワンちゃんから The dog The dog The Page 4 The pig The pig The chicken The chicken Page 6 The goat The goat The cow The cow The duck The duck The sheep The sheep The animals The animals OK じゃあ今度は一緒に読んでみましょう。3ページからね、先生の声に自分の声を重ねて言ってください。Page 3 The dog The pig The chicken The goat The cow The duck The sheep The animals. Now, please get the next book, The City. 街中、その本取ってください。The City. Okay, here we go. Page 3. The streets. The streets. Page 4. The cars. The cars. Page 5, the buses, the buses. The stores, the stores. The park, the park. The big buildings, the big buildings. The people, the people 人々次音 the noise the noise Okay now one more time let's read it together 一緒に読みましょう together Here we go Page 3 The streets The cars The buses The stores, the park, the big buildings, the people, the noise. Okay, now can you please get a piece of paper and write your name at the top and then write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 丸1から丸10を書いてください。Okay. Question number 1. 問1. Please look at winter. Please はお願いしますって意味ね。Look at っていうのは何々を見る。なので、Please look at っていうのは何々を見てください。Please look at winter. Okay? 問1。先生は何ページを見てるでしょうか？ I see ice skates. Ice skates. 何ページでしょうか？そのページ番号を丸1の答えとして書いてください。Okay? なのでこれはちょっと一緒にやろう。Ice skates は4ページにあるので、丸1の答えは4になります。Okay? Question 2. I see the snowman. I see the snowman. Question number 3. I see the fire. I see the fire. Question number 4. I see the snow. I see the snow. Okay. Question number あれ今のそうだね。次が question number 次5かな。Question number 5問い5だね。問い5だね。Please look at farm animals. Farm animals の本を見てください。Okay. What page am I looking at? 先生は何のページ見てるでしょうか？ I see the cow. I see the cow. The cow. The moo. The cow. Moo. Page 6. I see the chicken. I see the chicken. Question number 7. I see the sheep. Mary had a little lamb, ba me me. I see the sheep. わかるかな？ sheep. メリーさんの sheep. Okay. Now, question number 8. Please look at the city. The city. Okay? こっちの方だね。The city. Question number 8. 先生は何ページ見てるでしょうか？ I see the park. The park. Park. 公園。言っちゃった。Park. Question number 9. I see the buses. The buses. Okay, and finally, I see まあこれはちょっと違うやつにしようかな。Question 10. I hear でもまあ見てるわけだからね。I see the noise. うるさい音のページが見える。I see the noise. うるさい音がいっぱいある。The noise. Okay, well that's all for this video homework. So I will see you later, okay? Alright, bye bye. Ting tang wada wada. Bing bang. Bye bye.